What's the secret to drawing with ink first, no pencil, without freaking out? Contour sketches. I've been watching so many artists just draw like this and wondering how the do they do that? Now, this may not be exactly how they learned or what their aha moment was, but after years of practicing urban sketching and still feeling that stress of drawing straight from pen, this is my aha moment. And it might be yours too. When I started this new series of learning the basics starting from the very beginning, it changed everything. Not looking at the paper while I drew, total game changer. It trained my hand and eye coordination so my hand could just know what to do. So later, when I started looking at both the paper and the subject, that muscle memory kicked in and everything felt way smoother and more natural. If you practice contour and modified contour sketches every day, you will see it too. For the past few weeks, I've been doing these exercises. So about 3 weeks of contour sketches and modified contour sketches and 2 weeks of gesture drawings, about an hour a day. And today I'll show you what I've learned using the same reference photo so you can see the difference between each exercise from this book right here. This sketch is a modified contour sketch, which means I can look at the paper while I draw. I did lift my pen a few times, but that doesn't matter because the goal is hand and eye coordination, not a perfect drawing, as you can see. I picked a person to draw because if you've seen my earlier videos, you know I was completely lost with people, but contour drawings changed that with a lot of practice. I'm not nervous to start anymore. I just pick up my pen and go. I can now see the outlines of what I'm drawing, and that makes working in ink feel more natural and way easier. Seriously, if you keep practicing contour sketches and modified contour sketches, you'll start feeling confident drawing straight from ink too. I'm still approaching these like a beginner, but your past practice always sneaks in. Every skill still overlaps. Your hand remembers, the eyes remember, and you start naturally seeing shapes and pulling them out, which is exactly what I've been emphasizing in all of my videos before this. Shapes first. Nicolaïdes says to let your pencil swing around almost at will, but I did still catch myself outlining a bit, probably from all the contour work that I've done and that muscle memory of pulling shapes. And that's okay. Okay, so my takeaway from the gesture drawings, which really weren't my favorite, but it did help me keep my lines loose. And these loose lines helped me form shapes faster and sketched faster without overthinking. All right, I'll leave a link to the reference in the description so you can practice. And until the next video, which will be cross contours, stay positive, stay creative, and always be kind to yourself and others.